Hey, put it on full screen now, because so they can see what we're seeing.
It is.
No.
Oh, take the
Camera.
radar off.
I thought there might be a farm field access up here.
We are in Roanoke territory.
We are. Let's pull over up here where this wrecker is. Look behind us. There's the funnel. Behind us.
Up here looks good too. I would just watch that in case, because there's like some turbulence.
Yeah, but I'm seeing what I think is the funnel up here.
Oh yeah, out there.
Yeah.
Let me get a picture of
But you just love this, don't you?
Most people wouldn't think funnels are a big deal, but
Where'd be the next West Road? West Road or East Road? Well, no, I mean just something to get me over here. How far up is that? Oh, okay. All right. Okay. All right.
Be safe.
All right, thank you.
It's that Lori can hear us clearly, but everybody else can't.
Really?
Yeah.
Lori can hear us clearly.
Good job, Lori.
This tornado warning's gone down. So let's go, we need to go west. Let me look here. We can get back over to 116. That's what we need to do.
Because if we change it to the camera mic, it's even worse.
Does the volume sound terrible?
But it's also not the best internet.
Yeah, I think is the picture kind of fuzzy?
No, the audio's not bad.
You go in and manually adjust the audio. See if we're peeking out or something. I mean, this is plugged in. We got this mic here. You got the mic on?
Yes, the mic is on.
You sure this mic's on though? There's different mics.
No, it literally says it's hooked up to jack mic.
Yeah, okay.
So we automatically adjust or turn that off? Because we're not peaking. Well, we kind of are. So
Are we peaking?
A little bit, so I can turn it on a little
Let me
bit.
see.
Wait, hold up.
More, up more. Get back over to 116. That's what we need to do. Okay, we're gonna abandon this. Let's see if this cycles at all. nice.
I like that picture.
Just kind of hit the.
I did. We can hear you talk, but there's a staticky sound in the background.
I wonder what that is. Is this mic turned off?
Yes.
That's turned off?
It's not on.
You can't have two mics going, can you?
No, I have one.
Okay. What about it's static? Maybe we need to get a different mic.
I'd say if you're having trouble hearing, I'd go out and then back in on the like. That's what we're doing.
Oh, and then come back in?
Because she's not having any trouble.
Did you go in? Oh, did you go in through the browser?
Yes.
Chrome?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know, guys.
Maybe we need another mic.
I tried that. It sounds like wind.
How about noise reduction? Or automatic level, or
Yeah, I would turn that on.
the automatic level?
The automatically adjusts my volume, I turn that on.
Why don't you try turning that
Because
on?
it was on before.
Oh, okay. What do you got on now? Noise reduction?
Echo cancellation.
Okay, turn the echo cancellation off. Let's see if that clears stuff up. Yeah, let me zoom in here and see.
Looks like a funnel.
Most people wouldn't think funnels are a big deal, but when you use one every single day.
Let's see if we see rotation. Yeah.
Tornado sirens.
Oh, really? Right there off the, see the front? Where's it on here? How come I can't see it on here? There, kind of dissipated. Let's zoom this back out. Yeah, you can hear the sirens.
Okay, what street are you guys on?
I don't know. We don't know either. We're just riding this along.
I'll check for you. I'll check.
Riding this
We
along
are
with
on County Road 525 East.
you. We're going straight at where
So if you know what
we think the tornado would be. Nothing is observed yet. So if we see something, we'd be the first. Maybe. Unless someone's in their backyard looking. And
the hail core really fell apart on this one.
did it?
Oh, these are all severe down here.
I know it. And they could go. We'll get on.
Oh, tornado warning right underneath us.
Right underneath us?
Yes. Maybe we should, I don't know. Maybe we should
Go on
hit that
116 up here?
We might need to hit that one because it just went, and this one's starting to
See what you
down.
think about that one. That one's south of it, so that one's going to be the.
Oh yeah, look it.
Here's the road we'll take.
Okay,
You think that has more rotation?
I think so. Maybe,
That was that storm I was talking about before.
I was talking about.
That one, I said this one's going to come up and it's going to.
And I said, yeah, it probably is. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I think that we need to hit that one because that one looks like it has more rotation in it than this one. I think this one just is strong.
See it out there?
Yes,
What is that?
I don't know.
That don't look like a rain shaft.
That could be a tornado.
That could be a tornado.
I I think it is. I think it just has
Think we got a
rain around
tornado?
it. Maybe.
We're thinking we possibly have a tornado up here.
Yep, possible tornado up here.
At first I thought it might have been a rain shaft,
But then it bunched together.
no, it's moving underneath here. Okay, so we need where can we go? Okay, we'll get on 550 up here. So it looks like it would be crossing.
I don't know what that is.
Upflow winds? Here, put this over on it and zoom it in. Here, get this on it and zoom it in. And then put us on big screen so everybody can see it. That's not a rain shaft.
There. I don't know what that is.
Put it on big camera. It looked like a column.
It did for a second.
It looks like it could be like loose rotation.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to.
Looks like there might be a funnel there too.
All right. We might have a tornado here. Where's this?
It went back up, so it had to be.
That was.
It was a tornado
road?
for a split second.
Where does that road go? That road we could have taken.
Because I saw it all bunched
Let's
together
take
and then
150.
it fell apart.
Get closer to it. Yeah, and it. Well, the one it was kind of it looked like it had ground initiation, but I can't confirm it. Like I wouldn't call the National Weather Service and say.
Yeah.
But in my mind, I'm thinking that looked like a tornado. Oh wow, we managed this guy here. It definitely wasn't a rain shaft because that would be uniform.
And it bunched together.
Yeah, that was.
So it had to be rotation.
Oh, yeah, over here.
I'm going to put this on here. I can't believe we just now noticed.
That looks like an inflow jet. See it coming in?
Yeah, but it was kicking
We're getting
up.
into some nasty winds here.
We are getting into nasty winds.
Okay, this on straight. This is tilted now. I like it at an angle.
Lightning.
That's the funnel.
Oh, that's the funnel.
Yeah. There's
Okay.
the. So let's go this way.
Oh, that's a pretty okay funnel.
This is gonna cross right near us.
Probably gonna go like right in front of us.
Okay, let's move this over. Hey, you can film with that other camera. Film it now. Grab the handheld. Now we got hail. Well, we're getting in thick now.
Yeah, we're getting in the hail part right now.
Winds are picking up here. We got probably 60, 70 mile an hour winds right here. This is it right here. Here, let's put this. Are you filming? Yeah. Yeah, this is really crazy right here. Do you see it?
No. I think it's like there. I think it went over us.
Yeah.
I think we were just in.
But we didn't have a switch on the winds.
We didn't. Oh, I don't know where it went. Well, all the wind's going over there now. So it's either outflow or it's sucking into over here.
Yeah. Look on the map.
We're about to get hit. Where the rotation is.
Yeah. If that's the outflow part of the storm, it could be over here too.
I didn't get much on video, but that's good.
Okay. Well, from...
I think this might be debris out here, but we were, like, the rotation's right there.
Right on us?
Let me pause it.
Oh, look over here! Right there!
Oh, there it is.
Turn this camera on it.
She is.
Do we have a... Let's see what the road is up here. Oh, we got a road to go north. Oh, look over there. These are like, is it rotating? Look over there.
I can't turn this camera anymore. So
Unless you turn this.
Yeah, I don't. So I'm just gonna film with this one. Turn the wipers down a little bit.
Okay. I need at least that much. Is it rotating? Look over there.
I can't turn this camera anymore.
Unless you turn this.
Yeah. I'm gonna film with this one. Turn the wipers down a little bit.
Okay. I need at least that much. Straight line? What's that right there? Is that rotating? Coming up right here. Right here.
Right there.
Here. Like that. Those are straight line. That's an extreme.
It's on the ground.
Huh?
It's on the ground. Right there. Wind's kicking up.
Okay, and
See
it's
that?
got an inflow into it. Is that rotating?
I think so. Yes, it is rotating. It's rotating.
Wow, it's windy right here.
The winds are heating. Where are they going?
These are 60, 70 mile an hour winds according to our manometer. Where should we go, north? Let's see.
Oh, this is good wind right here.
Yeah. This is it right here. This is the leading edge of this. Okay, go north, you think? We're gonna really court punch that north. I need more of an east.
We're gonna get into this.
Go south and then go up.
We need to go south, because if we don't go south, then we're gonna
Go south and then
get into
there's
the
an
bad
east.
stuff.
Oh. I need to drive. Let's put this straight on. Oh, look at the telephone wire. We're not in a good spot here. These telephone wires are going to go. Where's the road that goes? This road.
Oh, we just go.
No, east. We're going east.
We have to. I don't want to get run over by these telephone wires.
Oh. Okay, where do I need to go, Summer?
Well,
I need to stay off the highway.
We're gonna
probably.
get into some good winds and good rain.
Okay, let's go
But
through Hudson here.
It's not. There's no like hill. North of us.
North of us? Like right out here then?
It's up here. Yeah. Yeah.
We got this bus.
Stupid bus.
The school bus. He needs to pull off or something.
I know. Go sit at the Casey's.
Okay, let's just go around, everybody. Go!
Go, come on!
Okay, pull into Casey's. Pull in. Pull in right there. You can get the Casey's. Okay, yeah, you can get the Casey's. But be careful.
Do you want this going?
Yeah.
There's some good winds north of us, but also north of us would be your rotation area, which looks like a tornado.
Yeah, here, man, it's wide open. This is what you think of when you think of tornado landscape. Where are Dale's kids doing pitching? Dale, give us an update. One, two. What?
What'd you say?
Hit the batter.
Oh.
And it pulled him out of the game. They pulled him out of the game.
Guy single in the first. Watch out. Look at this.
That's too bad.
Yeah, that stinks.
What?
Where?
That's too bad. Like the outline of a tornado, like an EF5, but there's no funnel or anything.
It's rotating.
It is rotating, but it's like a ghost train because it has like the tail.
Well, it has the inflow into. Definitely rotation, but there's no like.
Oh, look at that!
Let's get out of the phone.
I think it's just really strong winds.
Could be
Probably.
another EF9.
Could be.
It's roaring.
It's a straight line.
No, it's making a roaring sound. This stuff, yeah, can you hear that?
It has a roar to it. When we get close to it, we'll go into It is.
Yeah, you hear that?
Let's get up here. Maybe let's turn this. It has a roar to it. When we get close to it, roll up your window, or you're going to get a pile of dust in here. We're going to be covered. Let's turn this camera. Can they? Are they on a full screen?
Yes.
Summer?
Yeah, they're on.
Okay. Yeah, roll your window up or you're going to get nailed.
Something hit my eye.
Did it?
Yeah, but my eye like closed fast enough so it didn't like. It's not just crazy anymore. At least I don't see it.
Looks like you're way closer to it than you actually are.
Yeah.
I've seen these before.
Look at there it is all kicking up.
Yeah, see, it's even whipping up. See?
It's like a dust up. Look at that. It's even like moving, like it's like the one dust storm we were in. Remember that?
Yeah. It's taking all the leaves. It's like a big leaf raker.
Come on, leaves, let's go.
Let's see where this road goes.
It does have a roar to it.
A little bit. I say we go back
Yeah, because that's
and then, well, where's
look
our,
at all the storage.
huh?
Look at all the people. Just turn around.